In this video, you'll learn how to adjust volume and fades in DaVinci Resolve, a powerful tool for video editing. Whether you're a novice or an experienced editor, understanding how to control audio levels can make a significant difference in the quality of your projects. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about adjusting the volume of an audio clip directly on the timeline. When you look at your timeline, you'll notice a white horizontal line running through your audio clip. This line represents the volume level. To adjust the volume, simply click and drag this line. If you drag it upwards, the audio becomes louder. Conversely, dragging it downwards will make the audio quieter. This method is quick and intuitive, allowing you to make fast adjustments without navigating away from your timeline. However, if you're looking for more precise control, you can use the inspector panel. To access this, first ensure your audio clip is selected in the timeline, then navigate to the inspector on the top right of your screen. Once there, click on the audio tab. You'll find a volume slider that allows you to adjust the volume more accurately. This method is particularly useful if you need to match audio levels across multiple clips, as it displays numerical values for precision. Now, let's move on to adding fades, which can help you create smoother transitions in your audio. Hover your cursor over either the start or the end of your audio clip. You'll notice small white handles appear. These are your fade handles. To create a fade in, drag the handle at the beginning of the clip inward. For a fade out, do the same with the handle at the end of the clip. The further you drag these handles, the longer and smoother your fade will be. This technique is excellent for preventing abrupt audio starts or endings, ensuring a more professional finish to your project. Remember, the length of your fade can dramatically influence the mood and feel of your video. Short fades create a quick, sharp transition, whereas longer fades offer a gradual change in volume, which is often more pleasing to the ear. Experiment with different fade lengths to see what works best for your specific project. By mastering these simple techniques, you can significantly enhance the audio quality of your videos in DaVinci Resolve. Adjusting volume levels accurately ensures that your audio is balanced and clear, while adding fades can make your transition smoother and more polished. Keep practicing these steps, and before long, adjusting audio in DaVinci Resolve will become second nature. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on video editing. Happy editing!